Hey, my name is Tavner Carey and I'm here demoing our brand new mold press machine. And this machine allows you to turn everyday objects into plastic forms that you can use for molds. So whatever you have lying around your house, you can customize it. Think of the applications for wedding or personalized gifts, for candy making, soap making, candle making, whether you're pouring concrete in there or resin or clay. I mean, the list goes on and on and on, let alone using the actual plastic piece itself for your crafting projects. So let me show you how to do it because it's really easy. We're going to take a clear piece of plastic, we're going to put it into our magnetic frame here and put it into our machine. This is then going to heat up, so it takes about a minute and a half, and as this is heating the plastic's going to start to soften and kind of droop down. So in the meantime, let's figure out what we want to put in there. So I have a bin just full of random things. We have some wood blocks, some Lego blocks, some little crocheted things, all sorts of random items. Let's go ahead and use our seashell here. So we're just going to pop this into the machine right here. But people have been having fun today. They've been customizing things with their name using just foam alphabet stickers, so they could put their business name on there or a personalized message. We also need to hook the machine up to our vacuum. Most people have a vacuum. It's going to just plug into the back of your machine. The machine actually comes with this adapter here, so it's going to fit most hose diameters on the market. Alright, let's take a look and see how it's doing. Yeah, it's starting to soften, and pretty soon we're gonna get a nice kind of bubble dome, and then we're gonna just turn on our vacuum, we're gonna lower it down, and instantaneously it's going to form around whatever we've placed in here, and it happens super fast. So, alright, I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and do this. Alright, you can see how fast that was. This is going to cool down pretty quickly, and as it does so, we can easily pop out our shell. And there we go. You can see the amazing detail and texture that picked up, so all of the fine lines on the shell are actually captured in our mold. And now, let's go ahead and take a look at what we can create. So again, I mentioned chocolate making, I mentioned soap making. We can actually use the plastic piece itself to make like a shaker card, for example. And then down below we have all sorts of other things that we've created. We've made crayons, we've made Lego blocks into cupcake toppers. The list goes on and on and on. And we really love creating tools that allow the crafter and the maker to realize their creative vision. And that's exactly what this is.